Hello students, this is class 5 science chapter 15. The name of the chapter is Changes in Our Environment part 1. So come to the know about this. In this chapter we read greenhouse effect and global warming. The aims is to enable the students to understand the concept of greenhouse effect. Second, know the concept of global warming. Third, know the various ill effects of global warming. Fourth, know the various steps reduce global warming. Now come to the introduction of this chapter. So, human beings change the environment not only on land but in the atmosphere too. Our environment consists of living and non-living things like air, water, land, plants, and animals. These interact with each other. Human beings have changed the grassland around them into farmland. Parts of forests have been cut down to build colonies and factories. The number of vehicles on the road is increasing day by day. Thus, air, water, and land are getting more and more polluted. Here, now come to the point is greenhouse. Do you know what is greenhouse? A greenhouse is a glass house where we grow plants, especially in winter. In a greenhouse, the climate is controlled. The sun's rays pass through the glass and warm up the inside of the house. Plants grow well in the warm and moist air of the greenhouse. Do not allow the heat to escape. Okay, so greenhouse is a glass house where we know about the gases. The Earth's atmosphere is a blanket of gases. Some of these gases, like carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, methane, and water vapor, have the property of trapping energy from the sun. These gases do not allow the heat to escape back into the space. They warm the earth. These gases are called greenhouse gases, and this effect is known as the greenhouse effect. This effect means on the increase in the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, which leads to an increases in the amount of infrared radiation close to the surface of the earth. This is shown in the figure. So, come to the know about the greenhouse gases. Here, the first gas is methane. Methane is a natural gas. When grass-eating animals digest their food, their system released a large quantity of methane into the atmosphere. The waste from animals called manure is used as a fertilizer. Second, water vapor. Water vapor accounts for 30 to 75% of the greenhouse effects. Third is the ozone. Ozone is found in the stratosphere. Stratosphere is the one of the atmosphere layer. CFC means chlorofluorocarbon, is a chemical widely used in the refrigerator, air conditioners, and in many other industrial processes. It warms the atmosphere. It's shown in the figure. Now come to the greenhouse effect. Some solar radiation is reflected by the earth and the atmosphere. Some radiations absorbed by the earth's surface. Some of the infrared radiations passes through the atmosphere. Some is absorbed by the greenhouse gases and re-emitted in all directions by the atmosphere. The effect of this is to warm earth's surface and the lower atmosphere. So let's know about let's recall the chapter. First is human have made some changes in the atmosphere. Second is a greenhouse is a glass house which kept warm by sunlight so that plant get enough warmth. Third is a few gases go up in the air from a covering in the atmosphere and do not allow the heat to escape. These are called greenhouse gases. I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.